Factor Meals login not working. How to fix it? Always log in through the official Factor75.com site or Factor app on iOS or Android. Avoid third-party links or email forwarded links that might look sketchy or outdated. Make sure using the correct email tied to your account, not a different address. Even minor typos or case sensitive can block access. Avoid autofill mistakes or unintended capitalization. Click the Forgot Password link on the login page and enter your email. Check your inbox and spam folder for the reset link. Sometimes it gets filtered out. If the link has expired, repeat the process to request a new one. Handled account lockouts and technical issues. Too many failed attempts? Your account may be temporarily locked. Wait for a few minutes, then try again or reset your password. Facing browser or app issues, trying clearing your cache or cookies or logging in from another browser or device. Update the app or website to the latest version. Sometimes, outdated software causes login problems. When inbox password reset don't arrive. If you never receive a reset email, even in spam, some users reporting this happening repeatedly and getting locked out entirely. In those cases, reach out Factor's customer support for help recovering your account. Contact customer service. If nothing else works, contact support via the help center, live chat, or email. Many users resolve logins issue only after searching or reaching out. Be ready to provide your email, order details, and screenshots if possible. If your Factor logins isn't working, use official site or app. Double-check logins info, reset your password via email, clear browser data or try another device, and contact support if recovery emails don't arrive. So that's it.